Are you looking for a non-stick frying pan that truly delivers, not just on performance but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best non-stick frying pan you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan with lid 12-inch cookware pots kitchen frying pans. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful, perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan with lid offers a reliable and versatile cooking solution that fits homes in the USA and around the world because it combines a sturdy build with non-stick performance that makes everyday cooking smoother and less messy. This 12-inch pan gives you enough space to sauté vegetables, sear meats, or simmer sauces comfortably, while the hard anodized surface distributes heat evenly, helping your meals cook consistently. The non-stick coating makes cleaning up quick and easy, which is a real benefit for busy kitchens, and it also reduces the need to use large amounts of oil so you can cook lighter meals with ease. The included lid helps lock in moisture and flavor whether you are simmering a sauce or steaming vegetables, which adds convenience for a wide range of dishes. On the plus side, this fry pan feels solid and durable, heats evenly, and makes cleanup simple for daily cooking tasks. On the downside, you'll want to avoid metal utensils, which can scratch the non-stick surface, and over time heavy use may degrade the coating, so gentle care is recommended. Also, while 12-inch capacity works for most meals, very large families or gatherings may need an even larger pan or additional cookware. Even with those limitations, the Tefal pan remains a dependable and friendly choice for anyone who wants a practical pan that handles everyday cooking and delivers simple cleanup without fuss. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have Imarku Nonstick Frying Pan's 8-inch and 10-inch Frying Pan Nonstick Set with lock oil cast iron skillets. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The Imarku Nonstick Frying Pan Set includes an 8-inch and a 10-inch pan that brings everyday cooking a bit easier, whether you are preparing breakfast scrambles, quick dinners, or sauces for family meals at home in the USA or abroad. Both pans heat evenly so vegetables, meats, and pancakes cook without hot spots, which means better results with less fuss. The non-stick surface helps eggs and fish slide off the pan and makes washing up faster, which is a real benefit on busy days. The sturdy handles feel secure and remain cool enough to grab safely while stirring or flipping food. A clear advantage is that this set covers most small to medium meal sizes, which adds flexibility without needing many pots and pans cluttering up the kitchen. Another plus is that the pans are relatively for skillets yet robust enough for daily use, which makes them practical for renters. On the downside, the non-stick coating works best with gentle cooking and low to moderate heat, so it may not suit heavy searing or metal utensils. Also, the surface can wear over time if you scratch it or wash it harshly, which means careful use matters. While 8 and 10-inch sizes work well for typical meals, larger families or gatherings may find them limiting and need additional cookware. Even with those limitations, this imarku set offers a reliable option for everyday cooking. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description now. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Hard Anodized All-Clad HA1 Nonstick Fry Pan Set 3-piece cookware with lid, induction compatible, oven safe. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The All-Clad HA1 Nonstick Fry Pan Set brings together strength, comfort, and steady cooking performance in a simple way that fits homes across the USA and international kitchens that want lasting value. This three-piece set gives you two balanced fry pans and a helpful lid that support fast meals, morning eggs, casual dinners, and gentle reheats with less sticking and easy cleanup. The hard anodized body feels solid and spreads heat in a consistent way that helps food cook with more control, while the non-stick surface allows smooth release during everyday use. These pans work on most cooktops, including induction, and they handle oven use, which makes them versatile for many cooking styles. A real benefit is the comfortable handle that stays pleasant to hold during longer sessions. Another plus is the smooth interior, which washes easily with warm water and mild soap. There are a few points to keep in mind before you buy, because the hard anodized build has weight that may feel heavy for some users, and the non-stick surface lasts best when you avoid metal tools and strong scrubbing. Till the overall experience feels dependable for people who want cookware that supports daily meals without extra effort. This set suits small families, students, new cooks, and anyone who wants simple pans that deliver steady results and comfort. It also makes a thoughtful gift for friends who enjoy cooking at home. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Non-Toxic, Free Oven Safe and Amp, compatible with all stovetops. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan offers a calm blend of safe materials, smooth cooking, and easy cleanup that suits USA and international kitchens that want a healthier way to prepare daily meals. It uses a non-toxic ceramic surface that helps food release gently with less oil, which keeps cooking simple for eggs, vegetables, meats, and quick reheats. The sturdy build feels balanced on most stovetops and works well in the oven, which gives home cooks more freedom to finish dishes without moving to another pan. A pleasant feature is the smooth interior that washes quickly with warm water and mild soap, which helps busy people save time during cleanup. There are real points to consider before buying, because the ceramic surface stays in best shape when you avoid harsh scrubbing and high heat for long periods, and the pan may feel lighter than some people expect. Still, this pan brings steady performance for small families, students, new cooks, and anyone who wants a safer non-stick option without extra effort. It handles daily meals with comfort and offers a gentle feel that supports relaxed cooking at home. For shoppers who enjoy cookware that looks good and works smoothly, this pan fits well into a simple routine that values calm cooking and fast cleanup. Its modern design adds a clean touch to any kitchen and makes it pleasant to use during quick meals and weekend cooking. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, All-Clad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Fry Pan Set, dishwasher friendly with tempered glass lids, stay-cool handles. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The All-Clad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Fry Pan Set brings a calm mix of strength, convenience, and smooth cooking performance that suits both USA and international kitchens that want cookware built for daily use. This set includes 3 well-balanced pans with tempered glass lids that help you watch your food as it cooks, while the hybrid surface blends non-stick comfort with a steel pattern that offers steady control during searing, simmering, and casual everyday meals. Pans feel solid in the hand and heat in an even way, which helps reduce hot spots and supports more consistent results for eggs, meats, vegetables, and simple family dishes. A pleasant benefit is the stay-cool handle that remains comfortable during longer sessions, which adds safety and ease for new cooks and busy home chefs. These pans also work with most cooktops, including induction, and they clean well in the dishwasher, which saves time for people with fast-moving routines. There are real points to consider before buying, because the hybrid surface can feel different from classic non-stick and may take a short time to get used to, and the pans may feel heavier due to the layered build. Still, this set stands out for people who want cookware that lasts through repeated cooking and offers dependable results with less sticking and less stress. It fits well in modern homes that enjoy simple, relaxed meal prep and value long-term durability, along with easy cleanup after use. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.